In this tutorial, we will explore 4 easy steps for using Gradient to manage assignments and collecting data for student learning. Before you start creating assignments, be sure you have added classes and students to your account. You can add a new class by selecting on View Classes. Then, select the New button. After you have given your class a name, you'll be automatically taken to the Students section to add new students manually or to import students from an existing list. See the support article to learn more about adding students using a file import. Creating assignments is easy in Gradient. Have your original assignment ready with an answer key and standards alignment if applicable. From the home page, choose Create Assignment. Then choose Multiple Question Assignment. There are other available assignment options that you will want to be sure to check out at another time. After giving your assignment a name and entering the number of questions needed, select Save. On the Keys tab, choose the correct answer for each question by simply clicking on the correct answer choice to create your answer key. To choose a question type beyond multiple choice, check the box next to the question and select Edit from the toolbar. Here you will find other question types and additional customizations based on the question. See the question type article for more information on all the different setups that you can create. In the Question Editor window, you will have the ability to add standards to the question, which will provide a more in-depth report after collecting responses from students. Once you have completed your answer key, you will determine how you plan to deliver and collect the assignment. Students can complete the assignment using a paper scan form or by digital submission. If students will be filling out a paper form, select the Forms button on the toolbar to print the response sheets for the students. If you plan to use pre-printed forms for students, you will want to wait until those rosters are ready so that you can choose specific classes and students to print for. After previewing the form, choose Generate to create a PDF file of response forms that can be printed on any paper using your own printer. Single-sided printing is required. For more tips on additional forms, see the video on creating forms. After students have completed their assignment, the forms are ready to scan. There are a variety of tools you can use for scanning. A popular option is scanning with the Gradient mobile app, but you can use a connected document camera or the webcam on your computer. If this is the first time that you're scanning with your computer, click on the gear icon on the bottom of your scan window to set up the camera that you will be using. You may need to flip your orientation if things look upside down. Once camera options are set, scan the forms by placing them in the scanning area. If you would like to deliver the assignment digitally for students to complete using a laptop or mobile device, prepare the assignment for online access. First, be sure to add a PDF of your assignment by selecting the Attachments icon in the toolbar. Upload the file and check the box for student viewing. Next, select the Student Portal icon to set the online access. Enter the classes or students that you want to give access to. Then, select the date and time for the turn-in and review assignment windows. For additional information on creating online access, see the Student Portal Quick Start video for teachers. Once the answer forms have been scanned or assignments are submitted online, the last step is to review and analyze the data. After selecting the assignment, view the Responses tab to review any student responses that may need to be scored, such as rubric or open response question types. Select a specific student to review responses from a single student, or review and grade all responses by using By Question. If the assignment was delivered online using the Student Portal, you will also have the option to see assignments in progress, as well as reopen assignments if you wish to allow the student the ability to continue or correct their assignment. After grading and review, check out the Reports tab. You will see a variety of reports using the navigation menus along the left. A few favorites are the Item Analysis to see the results for each question in order to target areas of struggle and success. The color-coded Student by Question report helps to see specific items each student had difficulty on. And the Classes by Question report provides a whole class snapshot of the assignment. The Standards reports will only be visible if standards have been added to the key, but you can return to the key and add standards even after students' assignments have been collected. For additional support with Gradient, reach out to support@gradecam.com or visit our Help Center.